Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the MiUi 13 features. So this is going to be a list of all the features that are available on the MiUi 13. So first and foremost, MiUi 13 has a better optimized file storage system. So that means it's going to be faster placing, faster read and write speeds, and all that. Then you also have better RAM optimization. RAM optimization means your device will be working a bit faster and you're gonna have improved performance. Focused algorithm, it's gonna drive the CPU performance to important tasks. So basically it's gonna be able to divide your CPUs into tasks accordingly instead of just giving everyone equal amounts. It's gonna be able to determine what's more important and what's less important, and yeah. So there's something called smart balance in MiUi 13, and it's gonna improve the device's battery life by 10%. Yeah, 10% doesn't seem a lot on paper, but when it comes to real life, those 10% sometimes might just be important. And then you've got sidebars and widgets. You know how in the Samsung apps you've got side apps, like you can pull out apps from the side of the screen. MiUI has also introduced something like that, and as you know, Xiaomi is is kind of like a Samsung copy. So yeah, you've got that. So these are all the lists of features that are coming along with that have come along with the Xiaomi MiUI 13. The Chinese version has a different features, but we're not going to be covering the Chinese version because the Chinese version does not have Apple Play Store, and we need Apple Play Store. Alright, with that being said, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.